Hey everyone, another N8N video. In this video, I'm walking you through our N8N workflow that optimizes WooCommerce product content with AI and then updates both Woo and the AI SEO plugin in WordPress. I'll show every node, every field, and the exact JavaScript we use to safely parse the AI output. By the end, you can copy this flow and scale product SEO across your store. What this workflow does: we fetch a small batch of products from Woo, loop item by item, send each product to an LLM for SEO copy, validate the JSON in a code node, update the product in Woo, and finally call a custom WordPress endpoint that syncs AI SEO fields. That last step needs a tiny bit of WordPress code. If you want our production-ready snippet, contact us and we'll set you up. Now, I will explain each and every node one by one. The first node, you get many products. You click it. You can see we have to connect to our WooCommerce. It's your WordPress WooCommerce account and the product we will get. We have to select resource as product. After that operation, it's got many. I currently limit 2 for safety purpose because there are a lot of products. So if I have to optimize it, every product, it will be time-consuming. So just 2. Okay, now I will execute this step. Yeah, you can see the first details as an output. Okay, now let's move to the second node. The next node is loop over items, which mean it's going to loop over each and every S item. So now it is a small set with size 1. I tried through one product at a time. So if I execute this step, okay, now one item is extracted and sent to the other node. The node model, it is the main node in here, which is going to chat with an OpenAI agent, and I will open it. Here we have to connect our OpenAI account. For now, I select the engine as from this. We have to give a prompt, exact prompts, same as this. It will be most beneficial because in here you can see I click this here. This is the prompt I gave. So if I execute this step, you can see the results. Now the next node, the code in JavaScript. This node turns that raw AI text into a clean SEO object. I will go through the code. If you want, you can copy it. Now I will execute the step. You can see the results. Now it will be back. You can see the result. Next one is add product. This one, after product. Now the product is updated on your data, your WordPress. Okay, there it is. Want the WordPress endpoint code for AI SEO, Rank Math, or Yoast? Or want this entire AI-powered pipeline deployed directly to your store? Contact Digifix. We'll deliver a fully secured setup with smart logging, nonce protection, and role-based access built in. If this helped you level up, hit like, Smash subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a build. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll feature the best ones in the next video. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep building smarter. See you in the next build.